Hi guys, how are all of you? So the topic on which I will be speaking is PUBG ban क्यों नहीं हुआ है. So guys, welcome back to my channel RG Explains. So let's get started. So guys, first things first, now let's talk about the foundation and the origination of this game. So this game had first come in the Windows platform and the gaming consoles like PlayStation, and this game had come in the year 2017, and this was made by PUBG Corporation, which is a subsidiary of the Korean gaming company called Bluehole. So guys, now from where does the Chinese influence come on this game? So yeah, the Korean gaming company had partnered with China's biggest gaming company called Tencent to bring the mobile version of this game to our Android and iOS devices. So guys, now the main fear. Should you still play the game and try to get some chicken dinners, or should you probably uninstall the game? So guys, this game has a total of 6 versions. First is the global version, second is the Chinese version, third is the Korean version, fourth is the global beta version, fifth is the Vietnam version, and sixth is the Taiwan version. So there are total of 6 versions of this game which serve different sections of people. So the most used is obviously the global version of this game, and we guys who live in India and we play this game a lot, we normally play on the global, like we actually play the global version of this game. So there is no harm in playing the global version of this game, as it has no Chinese influence on it, and none of our users' data does flow through the Chinese servers, and all the servers are safe. So yes, the guys who only live in China, they like their data only flows through the Chinese servers, and yeah, so the game is extremely safe for us to play. So guys, I would also say that there is a very similar game which has a very same foundation, and it is also made by the Chinese gaming company called Tencent, and the game is Call of Duty Mobile. So this game also has 6 versions in total. So I would say that we all use the global version of this game, so there is no harm for us to play this game. The global version of this app is really safe, and there is not at all any Chinese influence on these games, and all servers are well protected at all times, so you won't face any type of problems as well. So guys, I also do think that there is a reason for which this game is not banned at all, and the reason is that those 59 apps which have been banned, they were seemed to having a bond with the Chinese servers, and the users' data was transmitted to those Chinese servers for which these 59 apps have been banned. And also the game was also tried and checked, but it had no such Chinese server influence on it, for which it is not yet banned. And there is a similar game like this which is called Mobile. It also is being made by the Chinese gaming company called Tencent, but it is not yet banned, right? So it is very safe for us to actually play these games, and there is no harm at all. So guys, yeah, I know that the 59 apps have been banned. Yes, good that they have been banned. But what if I say that I can still make use of those apps by just installing a VPN and just changing my IP address to China? I can make use of that app very effectively. So guys, yes, I know that India has told all of the ISPs like Jio, Vodafone, Airtel to stop giving access to these apps and those Chinese sites from their broadband networks. But I can easily make access to those sites and like these apps by just installing a VPN. So yes, I have faith that India will soon enough solve this problem of the VPN, and those sites, those Chinese sites and apps will be gone for good, as there are a lot of people who are still trying to access those Chinese sites and those apps by just installing a VPN and by just changing it to China. So that was it. So guys, yes, 59 apps have been banned, and they are not present in the Play Store or the Apple Store, and you cannot download it from there as well. But there are some third party sites from which you can download the APK files of these apps as well and install them on your Android phones. And there are also some ways by which you can download these from those third-party sites and install in on your iOS devices as well. So yes, there are still some third-party options available to install these apps, and those should be removed as well in order to make India safe. Thank you so much, guys, and if you do like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon.